Hello everyone, my name is Walid, and recording this on a rainy day. It was raining like an hour ago. I don't know if there'll be a pig hunting video, but there will probably be. So, anyways, today we're opening the VW Golf MK2. So, hey guys, before I open, I want you guys to like and subscribe and share the channel with your friends. Here we have the super from one of the last videos. You gotta go check it out. It's awesome. So here we go. Let's open it. Here we go. Just give me a minute. Oh boy, it's hard. It's hard going through. There we go. Here's the VW T2 out. Pretty cool little sedan. Here, so let's just go ahead and zoom. Hopefully this goes well. And let's just. So here it is. First up, it's not detail from the front. It's not detail from the front, which is pretty sad. You can see there's no VW logo, but you can tell where the lights are. Pretty cool. It's also not detailed from the back, which is sad too. You can see where the license plate is gonna go. So the little lights you can see, but they're not detailed, which is kind of sad. The roof is alright. You can see the hood. So it's like green with, I think, like green. What color is this? Like flag green. Lime and black as a color theme to it. This is cool. Has the number 22. I don't know why. Has all door handles. I like the rims they used for it. Yeah, here has some sponsor. We got Sparco, I think is what I meant to say. Sorry, just one minute. Okay. Cash chassis spark and coin. Yeah, I think. I don't know. It's a hatchback. So, you and your family could drive this. Yeah. You have a little door handle. There's the Howes logo. 1 minute. So, guys, I'm back. So, here's the VW. No, honestly, it's got one of my... It's not favorite, but it looks cool. I mean, I like the looks. I like the colors they use for it. Pretty much like that. A little layer where you can fill gas. So, what do you think about it? Right now, guys, it's montage time. Guys, that's all I have for today. There is the VW Golf MK2 review. It's honestly pretty cool. I mean, man, the sand green, I think is the color, is pretty awesome. So, guys, before I leave, I want you guys to like and subscribe and share the channel with your friends. So, we're gonna see in the next bug hunting video, which I'm not sure there will be one, but well, I'm sure there will be one. See you next time, everyone. Bye bye.